Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Elena.
And my name is Francie. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Did you know that the month of October is Hispanic Heritage Month?
Today is the last day for Hispanic Heritage Spirit Week. Thank you for all of you that participate and help celebrating the Hispanic culture.
Panthers, the track and field teams will be having a mandatory meeting for all freshmen who would like to join a team. This meeting will be next Thursday, the 19th after school. That's a week from today.
The girls' meeting will take place in Coach Trotman's room 5106, and the boys' meeting will take place in Coach Benson's room 6110.
Preseason conditioning for Panthers track and field will begin on Monday, November 6th. All physical and athletic clearance must be completed before then.
Students, are you interested in soccer? Boys soccer tryouts are Tuesday and Wednesday, October 17th and 18th at Palm Bay Regional Park next to our school. Tryouts will be from 4:15 to 5:30. To try out, you must be cleared by Coach Strangled prior to the tryout dates. Please see him in room 6111 as soon as possible to make sure that you're eligible to participate.
Panthers, would you like to purchase a yearbook this school year? Don't miss out on your chance to capture the memories of the school year. Don't wait. Order now during the fall early bird discount. Only $75 to order online at buytheyearbook.com.
Seniors, have you come up with a senior quote yet? Make sure that you get your senior quote to a member of the yearbook during all 3 lunches. The cost is $2 for a quote.
Also, seniors, now's the time for all your loved ones to purchase a senior ad that will go in the yearbook. Your family or friends can purchase a full, half, quarter, or 8th-page ad to appear in this year's yearbook. Please make sure that you contact Ms. Lloyd or a member of the yearbook for instructions and pricing for ad.
Panthers, tonight our varsity football team will compete against the Melbourne Bulldogs. Come to Mel High campus and cheer on another win from our varsity Panthers.
A good luck to our JV and varsity volleyball team in their away game against Pineapple Cove this afternoon.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!